Okay guys, today I've just picked up a clone Tamiya Bergkaiser. You can see the brand here, it says XING. Surprisingly, it has almost similar packaging to what Tamiya actually has. Just a little bit of changes at the side here with all those Chinese characters and all of this. But surprisingly, let me tell you, the box wise is sturdy, it's good, it's very strong, and look at the packagings inside, the parts bag, the tires. Yeah, it has that small little engraved XING, if you can see that. Yep. The wheels, the body, and the chassis parts, which is actually pretty good. The center stuff, I don't know how you call it. The sticker, which is quite nice, well printed. The manuals, and definitely the chassis, the Super 2 chassis. It's actually a very good copy with honestly speaking, it's very solid. It's good, it's really good. It's good quality PC and AB, if you can see that, right? Very solid parts, solid stuffs as well. Interesting what the clones kits can do nowadays. Very good quality gearings as well. Just a little bit poor looking quality shafts, but this cost me $2, $2 for all of this, and look at this. The quality of the product is superb. I'm gonna open this up for you guys to check it out. Look at this. Very detailed body. You know, it's very nice. It's really nice. And it's solid. It's strong. Same as this as well. It's pretty good. The runs, there's no problem, and it actually has an engraved Super 2 over here as well. This is surprisingly is good. Unlike you have tons of Chinese mini 4-drive kits, and they are not in very good quality, but this one is superb. Seriously, I'm pretty amazed actually. For $2, that is about 8 ringgit. It's cheap, it's good. So I will do a quick video on fixing it later on, and we see how it performs and how it sounds like. See you guys.